What's up guys, it's Chris here, and today I'm going to be doing a custom on some of the most basic shoes ever. Can you guess? Air Forces! You guys have been requesting an Air Force One custom for a while, so that's what we're going to get into today. Let's get started. You guys already know what to expect. Cotton balls, acetone. Let's get started. So now it's time to mix up our paint. For this, I'm going to use some color changing solar color dust, some Angelus neutral paint, and some Createx colors adhesion promoter. My exact ratio was about 1 gram of the powder, 3/4 of an ounce of neutral paint, and 1/4 of an ounce of adhesion promoter. Now, you guys asked me in my previous videos, can you paint this on with a paintbrush? Yes, you can. I recommend an airbrush because you get a smoother finish, but you can do it with a paintbrush as well. So now it's time to spray our clear coat. For this, I'm going to add a few drops of Angelus Duller to some Angelus Matte Finish. Now, remember guys, I sprayed these with color changing paint that basically goes from a dark blue to a magenta and then to a turquoise color as the temperature increases. So when I spray my clear coat, you're going to notice these changing colors, but that's just because the cool air from my airbrush is hitting the surface and lowering the temperature, which is going to make it shift colors. Now, if this is really interesting to you, I also did this on a pair of Jordan 14s, so make sure to check that video out and subscribe while you're at it. Okay guys, so we're all done here. Make sure to leave a comment down below and let me know exactly what you think of this custom. I would love to read those. Now, if you plan on trying this out for yourself, I left all the links to every product I use down below in the description box, so make sure to check that out. But anyways, thank you for watching. I got a lot more planned, so make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn your notifications on, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.